So, in collaboration between African countries, today I am trying something really different. I'm going to try to make degue, or thiakry, as it's called in parts of West Africa, with an East African twist. Here I have bulgur, which is boiled, it's nice, very fluffy, very nice. We have coconut water, coconut milk, yogurt, and a Somali twist of zaytun yogurt, raisins, and dates. Let's start putting this all together. Alright, so we're just putting it all together now. This is the coconut milk, and while we wait for the bulgur to cool off, we're going to go ahead and add in some plain yogurt, extra thick and creamy. I'm just going to add a little bit of this. And then a little bit of the zaytun. This is Somali. It is Somali made as well. So this is your collaboration between East and West. And I am actually going to add some vanilla in here, and then I'm going to add the raisins. So hold on, let me just open this. Alright, so we have added in a bit of lemon juice. We have our cream in here, our yogurt, our dates, and raisins all put together in here. And now our bulgur is cooled off, so we're going to go ahead and add it into the mixture now. Add a little bit of this. Let's start mixing this up. Look at that. It's already kind of coming together. I like it. I know that the texture is apparently different when you use bulgur than when you use couscous or millet. And traditionally, of course, it's made with millet. But we are going to go ahead and make it like this. A mix between East and West. You see it's getting thicker, and this is exactly how I want it. We have our dates and raisins, which is at the bottom. Just going to go ahead and mix that up. And I added also a little bit of sugar. To be healthier, you can add honey. You can use traditional Somali mountain honey or traditional honey from other parts of Africa. This looks so good. I want to lick the spoon, but we're going to let it cool off and eat it chilled. So you can either put it in the fridge for about an hour, 2 hours until it gets really cold, or you can put it in the freezer and let it chill. I'm going to go ahead and put it in the freezer while I prepare my lunch. And there you have it, guys. I guess I will show you guys the finished product once it's all done, but this is basically how it looks, and it is a nice snack or dessert that's eaten. It's very healthy, very full of fiber, potassium. The raisins, the dates give it a bit of healthiness too. You have your coconut milk, which is also really good for you. So it's a relatively healthy and very simple and beautiful dish. Well, I should say dessert. And yeah, hope you enjoy. See you on the next one. Bye. And here we have it, guys. It is cooled off. And this is the finished product. I cannot wait to dig into this. The raisins is there, as you guys can see. And the dates sink down to the bottom. There we go. Well, I cannot wait to dig in. Hope you guys again enjoyed this. I'll see you on the next one. Assalamu alaikum. See you later. Bye.